Conjugation of the verb to meet in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I meet. 2. Simple past, I met. 3. Simple future, I will meet. 4. Present continuous, I am meeting. 5. Past continuous, I was meeting. 6. Future continuous, I will be meeting. 7. Present perfect, I have met. 8. Past perfect, I had met. 9. Future perfect, I will have met. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been meeting. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been meeting. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been meeting. Conjugation of the verb to meet, he, she or it. 1. Simple present, he, she or it meets. 2. Simple past, he, she or it met. 3. Simple future, he, she or it will meet. 4. Present continuous, he, she or it is meeting. 5. Past continuous, he, she or it was meeting. 6. Future continuous, he, she or it will be meeting. 7. Present perfect, he, she or it has met. 8. Past perfect, he, she or it had met. 9. Future perfect, he, she or it will have met. 10. Present perfect continuous, he, she or it has been meeting. 11. Past perfect continuous, he, she or it had been meeting. 12. Future perfect continuous, he, she or it will have been meeting. Conjugation of the verb to meet, you, we or they. 1. Simple present, you, we or they meet. 2. Simple past, you, we or they met. 3. Simple future, you, we or they will meet. 4. Present continuous, you, we or they are meeting. 5. Past continuous, you, we or they were meeting. 6. Future continuous, you, we or they will be meeting. 7. Present perfect, you, we or they have met. 8. Past perfect, you, we or they had met. 9. Future perfect, you, we or they will have met. 10. Present perfect continuous, you, we or they have been meeting. 11. Past perfect continuous, you, we or they had been meeting. 12. Future perfect continuous, you, we or they will have been meeting. Verb to meet form, verb to meet form. Present simple I, you, we, they meet. He, she, it meets. Past simple met. Past participle met. Ing form meeting.